Hi, today I'm for the fix I'm Redmi Note 12s and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press to the power key button we could see that the camera application is activated, but if you wanna, for example, to change the option to use the torch by double press the power key button, you should first open the settings and then scroll down to additional settings, then tap to gesture shortcuts, tap to launch camera, turn off the swatcher, go back, tap to turn on torch and click on the swatcher. And now by double press to the power key button we could see that the flashlight successfully activated. To turn it off, just twice press once again to the power key button. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.